So here we are out at the compound with the FRS and Drift Dad. You ready to drift?
I'm ready to drift. Ready to try anyways.
It's been what, maybe 4 or 5 months since you last drifted?
What was it, January maybe? I don't know, January or February.
So yeah, it's been quite a while for Drift Dad to finally live up to his name. The FRS, on the other hand, I do have it fixed. I do think there's still a tiny little bit of a boost leak. But other than that, we have safe AFRs, all due to the fact that we just had so many boost leaks that made the car run lean. But now it's up and running and good to go. One thing to note though, real quick, when I was checking for boost leaks, I accidentally tightened the Turbo Smart blow-off valve fitting way too tight, causing it to strip. So I had to throw in the SBD knockoff teal blow-off valve. So other than that, and then fixing all the other apparent boost leaks, boosting up to about 9 to 10 PSI when wastegate is about 11. So we're losing about 1 PSI. I mean, as long as the car's running plenty rich, well, not too rich, but as long as it's running not lean, then it's good to go.
Lean machine?
Lean machine.
Yeah.
So because today is dedicated to Drift Dad just learning as much as possible, of course he's not going to be drifting the whole compound layout with its sketchy drop-offs. We are going to go find a couple sections that don't have too many drop-offs that he can drift and at least be able to learn clutch kicks, e-brakes. Even though he pretty much already learned that, at least he'll get more practice with it. So now we're just gonna go ahead and go inspect for safe places to drift. Right here seems decent, not too bad.
So if I go off down over here, that's not good. No, that's bad right there. Yeah. I don't want to drift in here. Definitely not.
Okay,
if we go in there, we would be screwed.
Okay, yeah, it's pretty sketchy over here too on this second keyhole. The first one was definitely bad. Well, this looks like the good section that we did donuts before. I guess it would be good for Drift Dad to start here just to, I guess, get the hang of it, doing counter steer donuts. You'll just go out into the middle, second gear, you'll clutch kick it, and then try to just do drift donuts around that puddle of water. Second gear. Hold on 1 second. You gotta get more higher up in those revs. Maybe try first gear.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Go for it again.
I'm afraid I'm gonna hit you.
No, you'll be fine. Just stay on throttle. Clutch kick. When you were going first around that corner, it was understeering a bunch. So if you just clutch kicked it, revved it up and clutch kicked it a little bit, it would kick it out so you don't understeer. That was pretty good.
Was I doing it right?
Yeah, you were doing it right. Maybe go go for a cool down real quick to let the tires cool off a little bit. Pretty funny though, while Drift Dad's doing this, you got these people in their little parachute motorized thingies flying around, like doing donuts around us while we do donuts. See, this is what happens when you're boosted. You go through tires a lot quicker. Even though these only had about probably 40% life left, you got maybe 10 minutes of enjoyment out of them. I did bring plenty of other tires from our garage that needed to be burned through. Like this is just a pair of stock wheels and tires. Those definitely can be killed. I have another set of Federal burners on here, all in the size 215/45. Ready to go for it again?
Ready to try.
So Drift Dad's been practicing his Y donuts in this cul-de-sac here for a couple hours now. Off camera, we figured he might as well get some experience, not have the pressure of having the camera on him.
And have not improved one bit.
You've improved. You honestly have. It's just a matter of figuring out this turbo car. It's difficult because it's turbo and you got to stay within the in boost, and it's not that easy to, at least in drift.
But I still say there's a solution here.
What?
If we would have just been wearing our helmets, then you could have driven and I could have filmed and nobody would have known. There's an acronym for that, but I won't say it.
Uh-oh. Did we just lose boost or something? You heard that, right?
I thought it went off the road.
Oh, you let off throttle. It sounded like there was a boost leak or something. That was good though. Now go the other way.
Plow in the field. Plow in the field.
That was good though. That was real good. Nice. You like those dirt drops, that's for sure.
All right, let's go tandem.
Okay.
Yeah.
I know my dad is kind of beating himself up because he wanted to do better, but I keep telling him, and I need you guys to stress. Practice makes perfect. Seat time always helps. Maybe it will take a little bit longer for Drift Dad to be tandem ready, but I got all the time in the world. Whoa! He did it! He did it! Yes! All right, Drift Dad wants to be done. I guess you've learned enough for today?
And it's pretty hot out here.
Yeah. Well, you had it if you just would have kept going.
Yeah, I learned a lot.
You learned a lot. Are you gonna remember it though for next time?
I'll try.
So before we leave, because it is about a 2.5 hour drive here, I just wanted to do at least one lap. So I'll go ahead and do that real quick.
Really trust nobody with all this jewelry on. My roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the polo. Come with the Tony Hawk. Clowns and all the balls. Hate me going psycho. Mama better Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on. My roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the polo. Act like you my friend when I'm rolling through my hands. So just stuck in the friend zone. I tell her for my friend. Hey, 100 days inside my shorts and cheat on the shit. Try to stuff it on it, but it don't even fit. Know that I've been with the shits ever since the jit. Y'all made my first million, I'm like shit, this is it.